Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial, how to change your Robinhood layout in 2025. If you're tired of the default setup and want to customize your app for a more personalized trading experience, you're in the right place. This full guide will walk you through the steps quickly and easily, so let's get started. First off, make sure you have the latest version of the Robinhood app installed on your device. Head to your App Store, search for Robinhood, and update it if needed. This ensures you have access to the newest layout features from 2025. Once that's done, open the Robinhood app and log in to your account. You'll land on the home screen, which is your dashboard for stocks and investments. Now, tap on your profile icon or the menu button, usually in the top corner, to access the main settings. In the 2025 update, Robinhood has streamlined this for better user experience. Scroll down in the Settings menu until you find the Appearance, or Layout, section. Here, you'll see options like themes, color schemes, and layout presets. For instance, you can switch to a compact view for more data at a glance or a simplified layout for beginners. Select the layout that suits you best. Robinhood might offer a preview, so take a moment to see how it looks. Once you're happy, hit the Apply or Save button to make the changes official. Exit the settings, and voila, your new layout should be live. Take a quick look around to ensure everything is as expected, like your watch list or portfolio tabs. One quick tip. If the changes don't stick, try restarting the app or checking for any pending updates. That's all there is to it. Customizing your Robinhood layout can make your trading sessions way more efficient and enjoyable. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.